ranking funniest animals eating lemons. He will never eat that again. He really expected something good.
Huh?
He has no idea what to do now. That made him mad instantly.
Lemon.